What's up, Peak Timers? Today we are looking at the Range Rover Velar, brand new casting, and it is a factory fresh car number 4 of 10, and it is car number 237 of 250 from the 2019 Hot Wheels set. I've been looking forward to this one. Let's go ahead and pop it open here. This one looks really nice in this silver color that it was released in, and it's got the big chrome wheels on there. And let's check out the Tampa work on the front. Wow, that is some good detail on there on the front. I'm liking this blacked out roof as well. It's kind of got the see-through window on the roof as well. That thing just looks fantastic. The detail on this one, very surprisingly good. Even the back, the Hot Wheels logo back there, all the Tampa work on the back of it. They did a fantastic job at this casting. I'm really liking it, and I'm hoping you guys are really liking it. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of the Range Rover Velar?